Welcome back. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at Nationwide Express Stores. The company is on a mission to redefine the standards of transportation by providing premium travel experiences across Jamaica.
Managing buses, schedules and routes can be stressful, but it's the passion that gives them the gas to keep going. That's the City to City Express bus service, a subsidiary of Nationwide Express. Najel Stewart is the CEO and founder of the company.
By the end of my studies, by that time I looked at the transportation sector. Because I had to use a lot of transportation while at the university in different capacities. I realized that it was not professionalized, even though it was one of the, and it still is one of the biggest industries in Jamaica. It employs the most people in Jamaica. I don't think that it was treated like a business, and I thought that there was a gap.
He added that he had neither a vehicle nor driver's license when he first embarked on his entrepreneurial journey. But these were just a few of the many challenges the company faced since its inception.
When we just started, we were transporting probably 15-20 passengers per day. And just imagine traveling from Kingston to Montego Bay with 5 or 4 passengers when the operation costs would have, would have been so exorbitant.
Despite these challenges, City to City Express, which emerged during the COVID-19 pandemic, has grown exponentially. The company now transports more than 2,500 commuters to major resort towns across the north and south coast of Jamaica, and there are plans to extend the service in November.
By November, we are going further down into the south coast, into Westmoreland, into Savlamar, Westmoreland. In February, we are expecting that the highway will also lead us into Morant Bay, St. Thomas, and we are also looking at the route to St. Mary based on the demands of our customers.
Apart from providing transportation for passengers, the company also offers courier services and hotel pickups. With Jamaica's booming tourism industry and the new highways, Mr. Stewart says what sets his company apart are the competitive prices, more terminal stops than their competitors offer, flexible scheduling, and the luxurious experience offered by his coaches.
You can pay $1,500 and get to Mandeville. Over on the north coast, you can pay $2,950 and get to Montego Bay. That is almost $1,500 less than our competitors. And we are committed to ensuring that this service remains affordable.
However, the young entrepreneur says if the government can make more funding accessible to invest in this kind of business, then Jamaica can capitalize on the industry. With the Business Review, I'm Sandy Williams.